Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Levan for all those who do not know, and I'm back at it again with another video. So in this video, I'm showing you guys how I did my knotless box braids. I started out on freshly washed hair, and the only thing I put in my hair is the main choice is leave-in conditioner, and then added my heat protectant and began to blow dry. After blow drying my hair, I parted my hair from ear to ear. The products that I'm using in order to achieve this style is Shine and Jam and the Rastafari Silky Braiding Hair. I also use a rat tail comb and little clips. After splitting the hair in half, I feathered out both ends. I used my index finger to separate each piece of hair, and then I hung it on a clothes rack. If you don't have one of these, I borrowed it from my mom, but if you don't have one of these, you can just use a hanger, or you can hang it on a table or on your sink if you're in the bathroom like I was. In order to do knotless box braids, I watched a lot of videos, and I felt like I could do it myself, so I just mustered up the courage and I did it myself. In order to start out the braid, I plaited my natural hair 3 times, and then on the third braid, I switched hands, used my dominant hand, put the braiding hair in my pinky, and then wrapped it around so that the braiding hair would be on the outside of the braid, and then on the middle section of the braid would be my natural hair. So when doing the braiding hair, it's not just one section of hair. You use the one section and you split that section either in half or you split it in 3 ways so that you can add hair as you go down the braid. This process took about 2 days because I took a lot of breaks, but I think that if I didn't take as many breaks, then I probably would have finished in 1 day, but I took a lot of breaks. After I finished all the braids, I boiled the ends, and I laid my edges with a 24-hour ebon edge control. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.